Good morning, guys. So, ito yung view namin from our balcony. Ang ganda ng view. Mga gaitong view na nakakami sa provinces. Very natural talaga siya. So, Jano is getting ready to go back in Manila. So, this is our room actually, guys.
I don't like to wait to the last minute, I think.
Ito yung room namin. Dalawa yung bed. Tag-isa kami kasi pag mag-away, tag-isa. Oh, di ba?
The what?
Ito nga pala yung ano namin, yung bathroom. Meron na siyang bathtub. The only thing that I don't like is the internet masyadong mabagal. Yung internet nila masyadong mabagal. Hindi ka makakapag-upload ng videos. Pero yung room niya maganda. Maganda yung room niya with balcony. Ayun yung balcony. Yeah, so ito yung Paradise. Wait lang. Ayan, Paradise Garden Hotel. This is our second time to stay here. Pero ito yung mas malaki na ano namin, pinag-istihan. The other one before it was small. Same one or small?
The room? No, almost same.
Oh, same.
I
Okay.
guess.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching.